Look guys, this is the beef's foot, and they make nahari. So people love to eat this in winters. And this is the soup. And this one is the halwa puri, guys. It's one of my favorites. So basically, halwa puri is like, they. Hello, guys. Welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Love you guys. Guys, I'm in a place called Ripon Street, right here in Kolkata. So today I'm gonna show you something very unique that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? It's called the halwa puri, right? So I'm gonna show you. Look guys, this one is called the halwa puri, right? And the shop looks like this, right? Today is Sunday, right? The time is about 9:30 in the morning, and this is the breakfast time. So let's go explore and see the type of street foods that they sell here in the street of Kolkata, right? And guys, if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please subscribe. Let's go explore this place. Let's go guys. Right guys, so here we are, right, in a place called Ripon Street, right? So I spotted this breakfast shop here, and they sell all different kind of morning breakfast. This is the nahari, है ना boss? How are you? आप कैसे हो? You're fine. Okay, look guys, this is called the nahari. So if you tried nahari, you let me know in the comment. एक बार खोल रहे हैं भैया. Look guys, मटन क्या बोला? Bone हड्डी. Beef. Okay guys, this one is the beef nahari, right? So this is the leg, right? And they give you the soup is the lentils, and they have the grams inside as well. Now this is called the beef samosa, right? So the stuffing that they put in this is the beef, minced beef with onion and chili. Is called the beef samosa. It's very nice. So guys, once they serve you this nahari, in a bowl, like that bowl there, right? And they give you the chili, the lime, and some coriander as well. This is how it is. And this one is the halwa puri, guys. This one. Yeah, this is one of my favorites. It's called the halwa puri that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? Oh, in Kolkata, right? Not really street, but in Kolkata. So right now is the breakfast time, right? It's 9:30. So I'm in a place called Ripon Street. Look, guys. And that's the mosque there, right? This is how it is. And this is the dal puri, guys, Just look at this massive, pot. It's called the karai here in Kolkata, right? Well, the Hindi name for this pan is called the karai. So people love to eat this for breakfast here in in Kolkata, guys. This is the dal puri. And they serve you in this paper bag, right? And they have different curries as well. I'm gonna show you that. Now this is the dal puri. Look guys, so you see this dough here, right? They're gonna put lentil inside that dough, and they're gonna roll it, and that's how they flatten it, right? And they deep fry it in that pan. And this one is the halwa puri, guys. You know, it's one of my favorites. So basically, you know, halwa puri is like, you know, they like, you know, fry this, you know, not like this. This is like well done, right? But they, you know, fry this in the oil, but like, you know, fried. And this is the halwa that they, you know, put inside it, right? It's sweet in taste, so it's one of my favorites, guys. And this is the tikya, right? Those ila tikya, na? Chap. Sami tikya, guys. This one is called the Sami tikya. Beef ka, na? It's made with beef. So, guys, if you love beef, you will definitely, you know, love this authentic street breakfast here in Kolkata that you get, right? And what's this, brother? Evla kya hai? Pantras spring beef होता है अंदर में. Beef है ना अंदर में? Chicken. Guys, this is called the pantras, right? Look, guys, this is the beef's, you know, food, and they make nahari, you know. So people love to eat this in winters. And this is the soup. So if you tried this, guys, you let me know in the comment, guys. It's crazy. Right now the time is about, you know, 9:30 in the morning, you know, so this place gets really crowded, you know, and people love to eat this for breakfast here in Kolkata, guys. This is how it is. And you see that, you know, dal puri, right? So people love to eat the dal puri with this curry called butt. So butt is like cow's stomach. ये गोरू का पेट है ना भाई? हाँ. So this is the cow's stomach, right? And tastes really good. It's called the butt right here in Kolkata, and they even give you this potato curry, and this is the lentil that you can enjoy with that, you know, dal puri that brother is, you know, frying at the moment. That's how it is, guys. Oh. This brother is calling me. Look, guys. Now, this is where they prepare the food.
This is potato masala.
How are you, brother? आप कैसे हो?
Potato masala. मैं Sheikh
Okay. Sheikh Manwar. Nice to meet you, brother. आपसे मिलके अच्छा लगा. अच्छा. So look, guys.
My son cook.
Okay.
IHM college से.
IHM.
हाँ.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
Wow.
वो अभी फॉरेन कंट्री में है ना, आपका लेक गार्डन. हाँ, वहाँ पर मैंने ड्यूटी कर रहा है.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
अच्छा.
वो बाहर जाने का प्लान कर रहा है.
अच्छा.
वो राजस्थान में ना, जो रेत का ऊपर जो होटल है ना, वहाँ भी 3 महीना काम करके आया.
ट्रेनिंग में गया था.
नहीं, वैसे वो लोग सीजन में होता है ना, वो बड़ी. हाँ, उसको मैनेजर का पोस्ट में रखा था.
So guys, basically this brother was sharing, you know,
Two son. एक सन उधर.
अच्छा.
शेख तौसीफ.
अच्छा.
मैं कुकिंग जो करता है वो आसिफ.
Asif. Okay. Nice. So I know, guys, this brother is sharing his story with me. Like his son, you know, graduated from a very good, you know, school. Not school, but you know, university here, and they teach you about, you know, cooking and hotel management. You
उस
know.
टाइम नहीं, मेरा फूड में कंपाइल करते थे, ऐसे बैठ के ना फूड में.
हाँ.
रोड पर.
Right. आस्ते बढ़ा है ना अंकल. Salute, uncle. Okay. So this brother is saying, you know, before they never had the shop like this, right? That brother there, like he started the shop like, you know, just by a small pan like that, and used to sell it on the street. So slowly and gradually, you know, you see right now by God's grace, you know, they are doing really well. That's what that brother was telling me. And they cook the food here, right? This is the small kitchen that they have over here. Okay, brother. You have a good day.
Prawn, baby prawn.
बेबी प्रॉन।
बेबी प्रॉन।
आप इसको अभी पकाएगा?
नहीं, ये कल होगा।
कल होगा? अच्छा अच्छा। तो अभी ये
पैटिस बनता, पैटिस।
पैटिस?
और समोसा जो बना हुआ।
राइट राइट। तो अभी आप क्या बना रहे हैं?
ये पटाटो का मसाला, पटाटो भाजी जो।
अच्छा अच्छा, करी।
उसी का करी।
Okay guys, this brother is gonna make the potato curry like this one. I'm gonna show you. Look guys, you see this one? That brother is making that there, right? So within no time this will finish. Okay, and this is the pot curry, right? This is how it is. And they even have ila kya dost? Chili fry. Chicken 65. Guys, they even sell chicken 65. Kaisa hai, babu? Look guys, they even sell chicken 65 with this puri that they serve here, right? Look guys, it's crazy. Today is Sunday, guys. Today is Sunday, so people love to eat this kind of sweet breakfast here in Kolkata. So if you come to Kolkata and if you see stall like this, do try the food. It's very tasty, And you see this, guys? This one is called the bhat, right? You can enjoy this with that, dal puri there. Tastes amazing, And you see this? This is the Sami tikya, okay? That's the raw, unprepared, This is the ready, for you to eat. This is how it is.
75.
हाँ खलील भाई करोड़ की जाए
And this one is my favorite, guys. It's called the halwa puri. My favorite,
गोश्त बोरी है तो गोश्त बोरी अरे बहुत जल्दी है अगर तो ठंडा हुआ जमेगा ना वो मध्य मध्य आधे गरम है ना बहुत गरम है ना
Right, guys, thank you for watching the vlog. I really hope you enjoyed the vlog, right? That was me trying to show you the, Sunday breakfast and, puri and beef and, all kind of different, street breakfast that you get here in Kolkata. So please subscribe, guys. I will see you in my next vlog. Let's make memories, love, peace. Brother, yeah, bye.
Yeah, bye.
Have a good day. Okay, guys, please subscribe. I'll see you in my next vlog.